We are pleased to show you the 2019 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, front-wheel drive, hard disk drive media storage, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, rear view camera, touring suspension, tinted glass. Come take a test drive today.